Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is a simple way that you can earn a little change uh, through your web browser with this opportunity called QMe. What you do is you download the extension to your Chrome or Firefox browser, and you just Google stuff like the best department stores. It's not going to show right now any money for me to make because I just recently cashed out like 4 cents, but I'm just making a point. Like you Google best apartment stores, and you will see this light up with like 4 cents or 5 cents, and the ad will be to your left. You click on the ad, and it credits it to your QMe account, and then you just click on the Q light right there. See, I got zero right there, but you just cash out your piggy bank and then this will open up. This is your account right here. Okay. So it's taking a little minute to load. I'm sorry about that. Okay, you see you successfully cashed out 4 cents. But um, they got a lot of other stuff too, They got stuff where you can earn cash back. You can do surveys. You can do a lot of stuff with this thing. Also, let me say this while I'm waiting for this to load. They have a referral program. And each time you get a referral, every time they cash out, well, the first time they cash out, you're going to get $1 for each referral. And then you just come in here and then you just cash out your money straight to PayPal once you sign up, put all your profile information in there. So, uh, you know, you can get 100 people or hundreds of people and make you some instant PayPal money because soon as you request it, it's in your PayPal account in about 2 or 3 seconds at the very latest. But yeah, like I say, you can do surveys, cash back, deals. You just go through all these different tabs. And like I say, with referrals right here, all you got to do is get your referral link. I forgot exactly where it is on here, but yeah. If you want to make more money though, like with the Google searches and whatnot, you only gonna get so many of those like every 2 or 3 days. But if you want to really turn this into making a lot of money, you can just do these surveys right here. You can also get the app on the Apple Store. I think it might be on Android, but I use iPhone. But yeah, like you see the price amounts for each survey 144, 106. They're gonna shoot it straight to here. And then when you ready to cash out, you just hit PayPal, or if you want gift cards, or you want to give it to charity. But yeah, this is a simple way to make some money real quick. Like I say, let me click on this referrals tab right here. See, you can like it's gonna give you an option. You can keep $1. You can keep 50 and give 50 cents to charity, or you can keep 50 and give it to your friend, or you can give 100% of it to your friend. So it's a lot of things you can do with this if you want quick PayPal money. And like I say, a couple cents and couple cents here and there, uh, you know, that's not going to really make a lot of money. But to really hammer away with this, you can do surveys and refer. So uh, that's what I would do with that. Like I say, they got the cash back. They got the cash back right there. Do the cash back offers. And then they got deals. And taking a little bit, acting a little slow or whatnot. But yeah, I guess you get the drift. So, but yeah, Q me, like I say, it's easy. Anybody can do it. Like I say, you just download the extension, or you can get the app either on the App Store, and maybe I think it's on Android too. And you just do searches. But like I say, searches is not gonna really pay a lot. But if you can hammer away with surveys and get referrals, that's a way to get quick money fast to your PayPal account. Or like I say, you can give 50 cents to a friend and you keep 50, or you can give it all to charity, or just give it to the friend. I mean, just look through everything and that's it. But that's enough to talk about with this. But I'm gonna leave a link below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I do a lot of stuff about making money online and offline, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also gonna put a link to my blog. And y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.